Deck 9 is our room. We finally made it onto the deck we're going to be staying on, room 9593. And as I always do when I come into the cabin, I always like to show you guys what they look like. So they're pretty much the same on all the ships. And here you have shelves, and then obviously plenty of room to hang things. And it's a little tight to get in here, the entryway, but it's not too bad. I noticed on this in this room we have curtains that will close to kind of help with the light coming through the door when you're sleeping at night, so that's nice. One thing they did do this year is they won't let you have any electric outlets that have like an extension cord on it. And I read that on some of the Facebook groups we were on, but I brought one anyway just to see if maybe we can get away with it. And of course we didn't. So when we got to security, when our bags were going through the x-ray machines and all of that, they stopped us and told us they'll keep it till the end of the cruise and then we can get it back. So if that happens to you, what you'll do is you'll take it to a designated area, and they have a person sitting there that will print out a receipt for you. And then when you get back from your cruise, you can just go show them that receipt and they'll get your item. The other option is you just throw it away, but I'm sure not too many people want to throw their items away. But what I did bring is this little plug right here. So it's got your normal plug on the outside, one on the front, and then one on this side. And then as you see on the bottom, it's got the USB ports, and so you can plug your iPhone in. I don't know if they just didn't see that one, or if that's allowed. So at any rate, we did bring it into the room. It didn't get confiscated. And so what I'll do is I'll use it in the room, and then when I'm out while they're cleaning the room, I'll probably put it in my luggage just in case if it's not allowed in here. So it does look like they have two outlets. I think the last one we were on, the last cruise, it only had one, but I could be wrong. But at any rate, it's got two. And if you're like me, if you're bringing, you know, multiple things, like we have two phones to charge, we bring sound machines so we can not really hear the walking or running outside in the hallways at night, just for sound machines or sound, you know, while we're sleeping. And then obviously I have my camera chargers and stuff as well. So that's what happened with the extension cord. Now getting in, once we left the parking lot or left our car, we got here around 12:40, and we got in, and with that little hiccup, it really only took us about 20 minutes. Here's the restroom here, just a stand-up shower, and it's pretty roomy for me. Again, I'm about 6'3", and it is a little tight in there as far as the, you know, getting around, but I'll show you guys. So I'm 6'3", and as you can see, there's pretty good amount of room here in the shower. So but these are nice little rooms. They're not too bad. Plenty of storage areas. You have your drawers there, and then of course have more drawers here. And then I don't know if I showed this in the last video, but they have an area here where you can open that mirror on each side, and you can put more storage there as well. So that works out pretty good. So again, our check-in was at 2 o'clock, but we got here around 12:40, got inside around 12:45, and we were able just to get in with no issues other than the extension cord, but that really didn't take any longer time. So we're here on Mariner of the Seas, and we came from the buffet. We went straight to the buffet because that's what you do when you get on a cruise. You start enjoying all the food. And so we're getting ready to sail away here in a couple hours, and we'll probably go explore the ship. And so you guys stay tuned, come along with us, and as always, thanks for tuning in and spending your day with Jay. And I hope you like this video, and I'll try to bring you some some tips and all that kind of stuff. Stay tuned, and we'll see you on the ship.